So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and connect to Android Auto from your particular Android device. Now, doing this is actually very basic. Now, number one, you will have to either connect wirelessly or through a wired connection. You can see right here, I have my wired connection right here. But if you have a wireless connection, you can also go through and connect it, to some cars via wireless, Android Auto. Now, first of all, the first thing you're going to want to do is first figure out how you want to connect to it. You also need to make sure that your particular car supports Android Auto. Not every single car supports it. Now, next up, what you're going to want to do is you want to go through and make your way over into your Android Auto settings of your particular Android phone. So you can make your way over to the search bar at the very top, and you can just search for Android Auto like this. You'll be able to find the Android Auto application portion. It'll navigate to you, wherever you need to go. Tap onto that particular Android Auto option, and you're going to see a little option where it says connected vehicle. All you're going to want to do here is basically just go through and connect a vehicle right here. So go through, click on connect a vehicle, and then it's going to show you right here. Now, when you go ahead and plug in your phone, it's going to pop up with your vehicle right at the very bottom right here. So it's going to show you your Android Auto, basically your options. Now, after you go through and basically connect your vehicle and you plug it in or you do your wireless car, Android Auto, you want to then look over to your Android Auto device and you want to go ahead and find an option somewhere that might say something like, Android Auto or something like that. Find that Android Auto option after connecting. You'll be able to connect to it, and then boom, you're going to basically be able to go through and have Android Auto on your device. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.